Welcome to Atheon Analytics Tutorials and an introduction to Omniscope. Omniscope is a powerful new desktop application which allows users to quickly navigate and interact with data, image sets, maps and web content. You can download Omniscope for free from www.visokio.com/getomniscope, and it comes with a free 30-day trial of the professional version of the software, which allows you to import data and to create files and distribute them to anybody who has the free viewer. The free viewer itself is a very powerful application and allows users to do all of the things we've just seen by navigating the data, by filtering and interacting with the views that they see. In a moment we'll look at how easy it is to import data and start creating our own analysis and reports. From the front page of Omniscope though, this is what you see when you open the application up. There's a number of things we can do. There are any recent files that we've been working on. There's a whole number of resources, online tutorials, user guides and so on. A number of demonstrations built into the file itself, so you can open any of these to explore a number of ways in which reports have been created. And we can do things such as open files, open new files and create links to databases. In this case we're going to open a file, we're going to open an Excel file of data and we're going to import some retail sales data. Now this is the view that Omniscope will always open up with. We have a bar view up at the top and then our table of data down at the bottom. So it's imported the data from Excel, it's applied our first row as column heading, which we can see on the table at the bottom. And there's a number of other things that it's done for us automatically as it's brought this data in. So we can bring data from Excel files, from CSV, from XML. Also we can attach to any database. And once the data is brought in, we can see the data in a table here at the bottom. We have this blue bar up in the top right, which is our filter bar. This is telling us currently that we're looking at all of our data, 40,391 rows of data here. And importantly, it's also built as a number of filters over here on the right hand side. So for every column of data that it's brought in, it's automatically applied a filter, a bit like auto filters in Excel. So for example, if I just want to look at, I have different categories of data here. If I want to look at my coffee products, we can see now that having made that selection using my filter bar on the right hand side, the bar chart and the table have both updated. And importantly, the blue bar up at the top is now telling me how many records of data I've selected. And there's a number of ways in which we can filter the data depending on the type of data in each column, whether it's numbers, text, categories and so on. More about that in a later training video about filters. So from here I can very quickly start building my own reports. And you can see here on the left of the screen that we have a number of different visualization options, from tables, charts, pie charts, bar charts, line graphs, and a number of other different ways in which we can view the data. Again, more about those in later training videos. So you can see here very quickly we can start to build our own reports. We can then save this file and send it to anybody who has the free viewer of Omniscope, which has been downloaded as we saw earlier on. For further information on Omniscope, there's a number of training videos on our YouTube channel which will show you how to use the various views in Omniscope and how to create really user-friendly interactive reports for other people to use. We also run a number of 1- and 2-day introductory training courses for Omniscope. If you'd like more information about that, please contact us on info@atheon.co.uk or telephone us on 08444 145 501.